Hi, I'm Donabel Quintal from Top Notch Construction. I will show you one of the project of Top Notch Construction ready for turnover. We have here the automatic gate and the automatic wall louver. And guys, yung automatic gate pala, hindi siya magko-close pag may nade-detect siyang tao sa tabi niya. Kaya atras muna tayo. And then our automatic wall louver. Okay guys, let's go inside. May garden pala dito. Okay guys, let's go to the kitchen. And guys, the countertop is made of quartz and the cabinet is made of laminated. This is high ceiling guys with automatic, what is this? Automatic curtain. And we have here also the onyx with backlight po. Okay, let's go upstairs. All the glasses here are tempered, so it's very safe po. Let's check the balcony. Ang railings po natin dito ay frameless tempered glass. This is the master bedroom with floor to ceiling windows and all the curtains are automatic. Ang ganda po talaga pag high ceiling. Ang lakas makayaman. Let's check again the downstairs. Hindi pa natin nalilipot ang maayos. Okay, we have here the powder room. I think this is a guest room. Bedroom again. Guys, kung may kasama kayong lola sa bahay, mas maganda kung may spare bedroom kayo sa baba. Kasi alam mo yung mga lola natin, ayaw nila umakit sa taas eh. Kaya siguro para sa lola to. Toilet and bath.
Ito pala.
Let's go to the back garden. Guys, the profile of our glass accordion door is series 1000.
Maganda.
Guys, super gaan lang po niya. Super dali niyang buksan. Takot lang akong baka mabasag ko. Pero super gaan po siya. Guys, ang ganda-ganda po. Pwede ka na magpa-party araw-araw. Alak na lang ang kulang. Guys, this is the maid's room and the dirty kitchen. Wala yung switch. Hindi ko mahanap. But wait, let's check again the automatic louver and the automatic curtain.
Close. Ito naman sa open.
Ay, hindi naman pala ito yung remote. Hinahanap pa yung remote. Nawawala yung remote sa baba.
Open. Close mo ano para makasa video. Ayan. Okay. Ano pa ba yung ipit dito? Ang galing, no? Ang galing, no? Ang galing nito talaga ito. Okay? Kala mo bahay.
Ito sa isang ano?
Okay, basta. Ay, hindi. Sa pa na lang.
Ito lang ang daw. Natuloy yung piece nila.
Guys, let's meet our engineer. This is Engineer Quintal. Say hi. And Engineer Regan of Top Touch. Hi!
And then,
And our timekeeper.
si timekeeper.
Say hi. Hi!
Bye!
Bye!